Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Dana August Nails. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I have another friend mail. So, the heck. Also, peep my busted nails. Let's jump into it. Okay, my first introduction to some Beetles gel polish. You guys, I got sent this very awesome little set that features like a lot of like warm tone, like cocoa browns, you know, tans and peaches and yellows. And I'm like, let me just swatch one for you guys because I was blown away. Look how thick, look how creamy. I have been sleeping on Beetles. So yes, I'm going to show you the rest of the swatches. So here's the initial one I swatched. And then there's 963, super awesome glitter. 964, which is just, it's just so freaking creamy. 965, which if you don't have enough browns in your collection, you can never have enough. 966, and then last is 967, which I think is a, like, it's like a purpley brown. I don't even understand. Now, this person sent me my favorite Polygel kit from Gershon, which is the red kit, which was technically speaking the kit that I didn't have. Like, you guys had seen me doing my sister and my mom's nails. Like, I'm always in this kit, and my sister owned it, and now I own it. And so, like, I'm so freaking excited. I am so excited. Like, the 100 180 grit files from Gershon are my favorite. Got another Gershon polygel brush, a jewelry picker. I got some rhinestones in this. Come on, y'all. Are you serious? Okay, so I am gonna swatch one of them for you. Excuse me, you guys. I got a little tickle in my throat. Okay, so this color is number 1. It is my favorite from this collection because it's like this nice, like, camouflage, natural nude that can go under just about any color, but also sort of stand on its own as a background for a lot of, you know, for a lot of art. So you can have this seen or covered up in like a really nice, you know, coat of gel polish, and it's really nice. So I'm showing you 01, 02, 03, which is a very pigmented red, 04, 05, and then 06. Such nice colors. I'm so happy to own this. Now, she did not stop there. She sent me another polygel kit. Now, she has this kit also, and she was like, you are gonna love these colors. These are so amazing. So I'm just taking out everything that comes in there. I'd never had one of those little clips, you know, to hold the nail in place. This kit is awesome. It has a top coat, a base coat, and a matte. And I continue to pull out tubes. I was like, wait, how many tubes are in here? You know what I mean? So there goes the slip solution. And I'm literally like, wait, if one more thing pops out, obviously one more thing did pop out the file. I was like, I'm gonna freak out because there just kept being more tubes of freaking polygel. Do you see me? I'm like searching. I'm like, wait. Let me just double check. Something else came out of there. Damn, Mary Poppins polygel kit. So here's everything that came in there. And of course, I am going to swatch one of the colors for you guys. Now, this is color number 1. And this has like, you know, this has some very, it's a clear base, but it has some very nice iridescent fine glitters in there. At this point, I am using the base coat that came with this, not the slip solution, which I am going to try it. I'll let you guys know. But this moved beautifully. It was a bit more firm than the Gershon, but yeah. Oh, you guys, in the midst of all this, I had to take a break. You know, a little egg, a little avocado toast, and a little smoothie, but we're back. Here are the colors. After the lunch break, we are back. Here's 01, number 2. And you guys, the more we move on, the more pearlescent these get. There goes number 3. Oh my gosh, look how they catch the light. Oh my gosh. When you just know that you don't deserve the things you have, you're just like, the hell. I like to go out and pull out my little drawers and be like, these are so pretty. I don't deserve them. That's how I do. I don't know if do you guys creep into your nail space and just like pull out your drawers and just feel happy? Well, I do. I do. So this friend mail was a combination of things she wanted to get me, but also she was like, what do you need? And I was like, I don't need anything. You know, trying to be all modest, but girl, we all need stuff. And I had some stuff in my cart, my Amazon cart, and these little pots I intend to use for mixing polygel because I do create a lot of custom colors. So she got me those pots. And then she sent me this amazing embellishment set that, first of all, okay, Can we, oh my gosh. Okay, this has the most perfect nozzle for making sure these rhinestones, these embellishments stay in place. This dotting tool is too beautiful for me. It's too beautiful for me. All right. Also, this tweezer, too beautiful for me. Why do I even, like, look how fine it is. Like, what? So now these little flowers, you guys. Oh, with the like leaves, with the tropical gold leaves in there. And then these little bits of the shells with the freaking caviar beads. And then these little balls, also caviar beads in here. I'm just like, some of them are iridescent, some of them are pearly. I don't understand. Some more of these rhinestones. I do not have any of these rhinestones that are just full on iridescent. They don't have any foil under or over them. None of that. Do you guys see those pearls that are encased in like a setting? Gold butterflies? Huh? Huh? What she said? Okay then. Okay then. I don't know why I skipped that other drawer, but these are just some beautiful, like, these are a different kind of AB. They're like more of like a spicy, like a honey, like a warm sort of a AB. I don't know the name. You see me out here trying to describe. I don't know what the heck I'm saying. These are some pointy back rhinestones, you guys, and they're all in these little glass drawers, little glass jars with the cork on them. And that's a glitter mix, you guys, with tinsel and chunky pieces, butterflies with more tinsel and fine iridescent glitter. Like, this has, like, if you had no other embellishment set, that would be the perfect way to go. Now, I know a lot of you guys have these, and I realized that I didn't have any of these mylars. I have mylars, but I did not have any of these actual mylars. The pearlescentness of them all. I'm super lucky. And the last thing that I did get were these beautiful Halloween stamping plates. I'm still working on my stamping, you guys, but look how fun. Spiderwebs, witch's hat, pumpkins, skulls. The witch on the broom is my fave, but also the words are really fun too. This looks like a very fun party one. You know what I mean? So, you guys, I am so lucky, tremendously blessed to have this. Thank you to my beautiful friend who sent it for me. And you guys, like, share, comment, subscribe, make a friend. I don't know. Follow me on social media. Do all the things, man. Do all the things. I love you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a part of me making friends and a part of my nail journey. Awesome to meet people on the same path as you, you know, just looking to grow. So I love you guys, and I promised to see you guys in the next one. Bye now.